Hello students, here we are continuing our chapter number 4, that is long and short. And we already learned about the standard units. Which standard units we all learn? Yes, millimeter, centimeter and meter. Okay, so when we use this millimeter, when there is a thing or object very small, that means their length is less than the 1 centimeter. That time we use the millimeter. Okay, now when we use the centimeter, yes, when there is a thing or object, we can measure by using the scale or ruler. That time we use the centimeter. Okay, now what about the meter? When there is a thing or object is longer than that we cannot measure using the scale or ruler, that time we use the meter. Okay, that means length of the door, then the length of the building, length of the wall. Okay, these things we can measure in the meter. Okay, so when we want to measure the longer distance or the longer length, that time we use our next unit, that is the kilometer. Okay, so how we get this kilometer? Yes, when we combine 1000 meter, then we get 1 kilometer. That means 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Okay, so the things or the objects which are more than 1000 meter, we can measure in the kilometer also. Okay, that means when we want to measure the length of the road, okay, then we can use the kilometer. If we want to measure the distance between the two cities or distance between the two villages, that time also we can use the kilometer. Okay, now if we want to measure the distance between the two location, that time we also use the kilometer. That means we can say that whenever we want to measure the longer distance, that time we use the kilometer. And 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Okay, so these are some examples that we can measure in the kilometer. Okay, and also the map, you know about the map? Yes, in that so many cities, so many states, so many countries also are given. So that time we also shown the distance in that between by using the kilometer. Okay. Okay, so these are the things we can measure in the kilometer. Okay, so here we see the four main units. Okay, standard units: millimeter, centimeter, meter and kilometer. Okay students, we are finishing our chapter number 4, long and short. That's all for today. Thank you.